Good evening from southern Arizona. So this video today, what we're going to do is take the Jeeps out on a short run. It's summertime here, it's 115 degrees, and nobody likes taking their Jeeps out in 115 degrees. So they've been sitting around the shops in the shades, just collecting dust. So these two got a service. We went through and buttoned up some problems we were starting to run into last season. And we're trying to get them ready for winter. And I know that sounds weird for anywhere else in the country. Everybody shuts down in the winter and hides their stuff from the snow. Well, for us, that's prime time Jeep season because it's 75 degrees outside and beautiful in the wintertime. So we're just knocking the dust off, getting them ready to go. We stopped by the local gas station, put some fresh fuel in them, checked all the fluids, and we're going to head out behind some local mountains, do a short, just night run, watch our temperatures, listen for rattles, just make sure everything's up to par. So that way when the season gets here, we're not, working on them when we could be out driving them. So hope you guys enjoy the video. No, that's fine. I'll go up and set up.
So you go up, set up, and then record us coming up, and then you're going to back up. We're going to set up, and then you come back up again, and we'll record your plan.
I got the gate.
How's the dirt? Yeah.
I got you on this one, so wave as I go by.
Hi, wife. Hi, wife.
Hey.
You should leave them.
Do not need one right now, but I can take my sticker off.
So I don't know if you wanted some climbing footage or something like that, but we can cross right over the road to the Money Rabbit Hill. And then just get a couple shots of you guys climbing up. We can continue this trail ride all the way a short round around Saddleback, your call. Is you roll the Jeep over and your skull gets crushed between the roll bar and the dirt. Nothing terrible though.
Well, if that's the worst that can happen, I think we'll be fine.
It's okay, we have medical here with us today. actually climbing a pretty aggressive hill right here. The camera doesn't really do it justice. I didn't have a choice because I was born with him. You married into it. Got some offsets in it. The tires got to work. Hi, wife. Here comes Noel, the CJ7. So I can just kind of tell you where to turn, or we can pass you up at the bottom.
Yeah, no, go ahead and pass me up the bottom.
Colette pulling it out of the four-wheel drives. How's your Jeep performing?
Good. It just makes a lot of weird noises.
But happy Jeep noises, correct?
Yeah. It has a lot of rattles that I'm not sure what's coming apart.
So you guys seen this Jeep on another video. If you'd watched it, it was the Prescott Jeep. It used to be all black. We got it with a rod through the block. Put a new engine in it, found out that engine, even though it was low miles, had a bad head. It was cracked. Mr. Billy Lowe did the machine work on it, and we installed it. Runs like a sewing machine. The engine sounds good, but the transmission's always been questionable. The dipstick was trimmed weird when we got it. Didn't know if we were running it low or high. Got our best guess, but then during the engine swap, routed the transmission cooler lines wrong side of the exhaust pipe, and they were touching, and the transmission lines were so hot we couldn't touch them. So the transmission got hot once. Now that we've relocated the lines, it seems to be going through all of its gears again, and it's fine, so we're going to give it a fluid change. But that happened at the end of last year, so we're knocking the dust off of it, seeing how it's performing. It's been going through its gears, it's been climbing, 4 low, 4 high, nothing's leaking. Yeah, Noel's Jeep, it's already kind of had the dust knocked off of it because you've been driving it kind of daily here and there.
Yeah, go to the mailbox in the summer, and that's about all I want to drive it in the summer.
Right, but it's pretty much up to par. And we got a Cherokee back at home. We got to do the same thing. That's her other Jeep because she has to collect every Jeep known to man. And of course her Bronco. And whatever else she buys this year. Proud of yourself? We could work on the Wagoneer. Well, where are we going to go next?
I mean, we can go.
Oh!
Jesus.
My balls, you prick! Ah! Stay down, bitch.
Alright, so we got it out of four-wheel. We did kind of our short loop. We're over here just east side of Saddleback. And we're back on the hard pack under the power lines.
Let's keep it around, I don't know, 25. I can't push the clutches, my ball hurts.
Why ever does your ball hurt?
I don't want to hit the clutch. Keep it at 25.
Not to rub salt in the wound, but we're driving an automatic. There's the Eiffel Tower.
I am going to destroy your testicles next time we stop. Okay, yeah, if you want to grab your laptop and come over, that way you can get Colette home for a shower, but we'll still stay behind you all the way to your house.
I wonder what the temperature is right now. Do you guys got it? My phone's being used as a camera.
1 second. It is 93 degrees out.
Okay, I don't have to boost tonight, so yeah, I can just head over there.
Okay, you still gotta stop and get your computer though, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna pull over here, unlock your hubs, and then pass us up. We'll follow you to your house, and then when you turn off, we'll head to ours.
My ball hurts.
You need backup to unlock your hubs?